Mercury. This planet is closest to the Sun. It is yellowish in color. Mercury does not have atmosphere or satellite. From the Earth, we see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunset. Students, Mercury planet is closest to the Sun. It is slightly yellowish in color. It is seen in the sky just before sunrise and after sunset for some time. There is no atmosphere on Mercury. It does not have any satellite. Venus. It is most dazzling planet in the solar family. In size and weight, it is like Earth, like twin brother of Earth. It resembles the moon in shine. It does not have a satellite. Due to thick cover of gases and clouds around it, less knowledge is there about it. Students, Venus is the most dazzling and beautiful among all planets. As it is seen just prior to sunrise and after sunset, it is also known as morning time or evening time star. It is like the twin of the Earth. Venus does not have any satellite. Earth. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Earth completes one rotation around the Sun on its axis in 24 hours, while the Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 days. Events such as day and night and the change of seasons can only be seen here. Earth has one satellite, Moon. Students, Earth is one of the 8 planets of the solar system. It is 13 lakh times smaller than the Sun and is about 15 crore kilometers away from it. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life on it. Earth is situated between the planets Venus and Mars. It is not completely round, it is shaped like an orange. It is slightly bulged at the equator and slightly flat at the poles. The Earth moves on its axis as well as around the Sun. It completes one full circle on its axis in 24 hours. Due to this, daily motion of the Earth day and night occur. The Earth completes one full revolution around the Sun in 365 days, which causes seasons. Atmosphere extends around the Earth up to an altitude of 800 km. Life-saving gases are found here. Moon is the only satellite of the Earth. It is the nearest celestial body from the Earth. Moon. It is the only satellite of Earth. It takes about 27.3 days to complete its rotation on its axis around Sun. There is no atmosphere on the moon. There is no life on it as there is no water and atmosphere above the moon. It is a non-luminous body. It is illuminated by the sun. Due to falling of meteorites on the surface of the moon, large pits have formed. Extinct or dead volcanoes are found here. Students, the moon is the satellite of the earth. It is nearest celestial body to the earth. The moon takes 29.5 days to complete one rotation on its axis as well as one revolution around the earth. Because its rotational and revolutional time is the same, there is only one side facing the earth. There is no atmosphere on the moon. The temperature on the surface of the moon is more during day and the nights are cool. There are many volcanoes on the moon. Due to less gravitational force of the moon, everything becomes lighter in weight. The sun illuminates the moon. There is constant meteoritic fall on moon which has caused large depressions on its surface. Due to the absence of hydrosphere and atmosphere, there is no life on the moon. Students, on 21st July 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong was first to reach the moon. Mars. It is beautiful red colored illuminated planet. Atmosphere of Mars is lighter. As per seasons, more cold and heat is there on Mars. It has 2 satellites. Scientists are trying to develop organisms on Mars. Students, Mars lies between the Earth and the Jupiter. It is a red and a shining planet. The atmosphere here is very thin. According to the seasons, there is more heat and cold on Mars. Mars has 2 satellites. Scientists are trying to develop life on Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is light yellowish white planet. Jupiter has gaseous atmosphere around it. This planet is believed to be very cold. It is the largest planet of solar system. It has 79 satellites. In this also scientists have different opinions. This huge planet can be seen with the help of binoculars. While watching through binoculars, droplets can be seen on the surface which looks beautiful. Students, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a yellowish white planet. It is situated at a great distance from the Sun, so it can be presumed that the planet might be very cold. When viewed with a telescope, the shape of Jupiter looks round like a full moon and its surface is colorful with red dots. Jupiter is always seen on the horizon. This giant planet has 79 satellites. It is also known as Bhimkai. Saturn. In the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It looks beautiful with bright rings of blue color. It looks different because of rings. These rings look like a turban worn on the head. Saturn is also called turban planet. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. The surface temperature of Saturn is quite low because of its distance from the Sun. Students, Saturn is situated between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter and it is bluish in color. There are three bright rings of blue or you can say green color around Saturn. These rings are a special attraction of Saturn. As it is far away from the Sun, its surface temperature is very low. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. It is also known as Turban Planet or Pagadiyo Grah. Uranus. It is so far away from the Earth that it could not be seen with the help of ordinary binoculars. The light of sun is also like light moonlight. An astronomer named William Herschel discovered the planet in 1781. This planet is very cold. Students, as Uranus is very far from the sun, the bright sun rays on its surface appeared like the moonlight. It is an extremely cold planet. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. A telescope is required to see this planet.